welcome to Badgeskins. In this how-to video, we're going to do a Badgeskin overlay tint for the MK7 European taillights. So the kit comes like this. It's a pair, so it comes for both sides. And essentially it's just an overlay that goes over the clear part here, and it gives it a nice stealthy smoked look. We also offer this in a red tint, but we'll show you that in the end of the video. So pretty well, let's start off with your install. You're going to do like what you usually do. Wash and clean. Alcohol wipe the section that you're going to be applying the Badgeskin, microfiber cloth, and just make sure it's squeaky clean. Just like any other Badgeskin install, you're just going to take the Badgeskin and remove it from the backing. So for this one here, it's going to be this top set. So this one requires a bit of attention just because of the little inset that's right here. For this piece, you're going to start the install from this side. So essentially what you want to do is when you look, you kind of get this little black line on the tail light here. You're going to line up the edge of the Badgeskin to the inner part of that black line. And then you just go work the vinyl in all the way across until you get to the part right here where it dips down. So if you can, you gotta work it in with your thumb. If you have a squeegee, that's great, but not everyone has one, so you gotta work that in. And then with a bit of tension on the masking, you just gotta line everything up and keep working that vinyl down, squeegeeing it. And you're just gonna simply walk it all the way across and tack everything down like so. Once you've done that, then you can remove the masking at 180 degrees. And that's the first of the three pieces. Okay, so for this side on the tailgate, it's pretty simplistic like all the other Badgeskins. You're just gonna take your Badgeskin, remove it from the backing, and you're essentially just going to line it up. There's a bit of an overlap, so you don't have to be directly right on it because obviously the bit of the clear will show. Usually I start from this side, tack it down, and walk it across. And then your last piece, the little reverse light. Just let you guys know the reverse light does come through nice and bright, so don't worry about it being tinted and the fact that you may lose lighting, but you won't. And that's it for the install. Very simple. Alright everyone, this is it. This is the MK7 European taillight clear lens Badgeskin tint overlay. Like I mentioned before, it comes in a smoke tint, and then we also offer it in a red tint, which will pop up a picture so you can kind of see what it looks like, but also keep an eye out on our Instagram feed. We'll also post up our pictures there. But here it is. It offers that little bit more stealthy look to your European taillights. Looks really good and also very simple to install. Thanks for watching.